Namaste and a very warm welcome to all of you once again. I'm Manisha Sandeep, founder of Das Temple. Today the extract that I'm going to share with you all is something that I came across in one of the books written by a monk. A beautiful way of looking at things in life. When we see a room which is completely empty, there are two ways to say something about this empty room. Either we can say the room is empty, or we can say the room is full of space. Exactly the very word room means space. The more furniture you bring in, the less room there is. You can fill the whole room with junk and the room disappears. It is there and it is not there. You cannot throw it out, but you can hide it behind your furniture, behind your refrigerator, behind your television. Take them all out, what remains? Roominess, emptiness, in a positive sense, a pure space. According to the Zen, the Bodhidharma, emptiness is immensely full. His emptiness is immensely positive. His nothingness is simply no-thingness. Is there difference between making choices, judging, and discriminating? Some trees grow high, very high. Some trees don't. In the world of trees, there is no comparison. In the world of real consciousness, authentic realization, also there can be no comparison. But still, one should not forget the highest so that one does not become lost into the thousands and one great peaks. The Himalayas are thousands of miles. Each peak is unique, has to say something, has to reveal some beauty, some truth. Stands on its own feet, not dependent, not imprisoned, with tremendous glory and splendor. One can easily get lost, but one should remember the highest, because that should be your aim too. Your arrow should point to the highest. In ordinary life, everything that you are doing is all right. But if you want to know the extraordinary livingness of your innermost core, then you will have to drop judgment, choice, and discrimination. There is no need. In the inner world, there is no marketplace, no shopping mall. In the inner world, even you are not. Who is going to judge and what is going to be judged? Think about it. Isn't that beautiful space to be in? Where there can be roominess, where there can be immense space and room for growth, for love, for compassion. Think about it, people. I hope this video will bring change in your shift, in your life, in your thought processes. Thank you and bless you all. If you like these words, this extract from the Zen teachings, please press the like button and do subscribe for my channel. Thank you all. Thank you.